So what you need to do is create one folder to group your file. For example, lab1, press enter. You select your Mac file, okay. Press Control, okay, press Control, select the Mac file and test.c, and then drag it to the lab1 folder.
Okay.
So right now, if you want to compile, right, you need to release the control. So right now, what you need to do is navigate to the lab1 folder, then only you can compile. So if you type ls, right, you can see you got one lab1 folder. So you cd to the lab1 folder. Actually, you don't need to finish type it. You press tab, okay? You press tab, you will auto complete it.
Okay.
Then press enter. So right now you can continue to type Mac. Okay? Type Mac. So as you can see, there will be a program generated. You can type / followed by a program.